Well, hello dolls and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul video from Premiere Orlando 2018. I got quite a few goodies and I wanted to share with you all. If you're interested, please stay tuned to this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell so that way you never miss an upload. So I stopped at the Briogeo counter and I wanted just to try one thing. I picked up the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask because I heard so many good things about this mask and I'm very excited. Let me see what it smells like. I didn't even open it to smell. Ooh, and it's a like whipped formula. It smells pretty good. It smells very salmon, like very soft, clean scent. So I'm excited to try it, especially because it feels like it's gonna have lots of moisture and some slip. So I went to the Ouidad booth and I wanted to pick up some hair products from there, but they did not bring any of the styling products, so I was very upset about that. Well, not upset, but I was bummed out because I really wanted to try all of the what is it, advanced climate control products. I really wanted to get my hands on that, but instead I picked up this cute little bestseller styler kit, and it comes with the ultra nourishing cleansing oil, the meltdown extreme recovery mask, the advanced climate control heat and humidity gel, and the curl last flexible hold hairspray. So I got this and it came in a cute little kit like this. So I'm excited about this mask. I went mask crazy while I was shopping, so bear with me, but I'm excited for this mask because I hear so many good things about it. But I also really wanted to try the advanced climate control heat and humidity gel, especially because I'm in Florida and it's so hot and humid all the time here. So I figured I would put this to the test. So everything else just came as like a bonus because I really wanted to try those two products. So yeah, I'm happy I got this. And as a gift, they gave this cute little Ouidad bag that says Express Never Suppress. So super cute cosmetic bag. Whew. So the next place that I went was Amika, and I went twice because I was obsessed with their booth. So the first time I went to Amika, I picked up the wipes, a few things. They had this sale, I think it was 5 for $60 or 6 for $60. I think it was 5 for $60. So I picked up quite a few things. So the first thing that I picked up was the Soulfood Nourishing Mask, and I've tried this. I purchased it from Sephora and I fell in love with it. It smells so good. Their hair care line just smells so good. I can't, it's warm and sweet. It smells amazing. I picked the Soulfood mask up and I also picked up the Kure Intense Repair Mask because the lady recommended that I get both because of course this is a nourishing mask and this one is more for like deep repair. So I figured I would try this one and see what I thought about it. They are available online on Sephora.com, and they also have their own personal website, so you can definitely check them out if you're interested. But y'all, they smell so good, and the Soulfood mask will have your hair so soft and feeling so healthy and moisturized, so I definitely recommend it. So I also picked up the Amika Curl Corpse Enhancing Gel and the Defining Cream, and I wanted to try these because I've been eyeing them for quite some time. They're newer to their line, but since they came out I've been eyeing them and I wanted to try them. So I definitely picked these two up, and I'm glad I picked them up yesterday because when I went today they were sold out of all the Curl Corpse products. So I'm glad I picked them up when I did. They smell the same as the mask, very like warm. I can't describe it. If you have Amika in your Sephora around you, just go smell it. It smells so good, and I wish they had these in a bigger bottle because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love them. But so far the Amika products have been working really well, so excited for these. I also picked up the Wizard Detangling Primer. I'm so excited for this. I didn't realize it was a dry oil mist. The lady told me it was, and she said it works really well like if you blow dry your hair or if you're going to be heat styling your hair, but it also works great for your curly hair. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to use it, and I'm kind of nervous because it's like a small bottle and I'm very heavy-handed when it comes down to me styling. So hopefully this works well in my hair. She said this was like one of the #1 sellers, so let's pray it works great for my hair. And it's a detangling primer, so we'll figure out how to work around it. It does say that it's a priming spray that heat protects, softens, and reduces blow dry time. She did tell me that as well. And it powerfully untangles any knots you get into. It says mist through damp hair, then do anything. So let's see. I also picked up the Kure Repair Shampoo and Normcore Signature Shampoo to go with those masks to see how they work together. They're just shampoos. I didn't really, it's no rhyme or reason. I just wanted to make sure if I got the mask that I'm using the shampoos, because I've been using the mask without this shampoo and it's been fine. But I figured if I'm gonna use the mask, I might as well just go ahead and get the shampoo, especially with the sale that they had going on. So I figured I might as well do that. Y'all already know I had to pick up another one, so I actually have 3 Soulfood masks now, because the other one I have is halfway done, but I have 2 for backup. So I'm very excited because that mask is amazing, and for that show price, y'all, you cannot beat it. So I'm glad I got 2 of those. I also picked up Glass Action Universal Elixir, and it says this main game changer feeds hair with nutrients to fortify, elasticize, shine, and stop frizz. Your hair envy days are over. So work a few drops through hair before, during, or after styling process. I also picked up the hair fragrance from Amika, and it smells so good. The reviews on these are like out of this world. Everyone says it's amazing. Everyone was stocking up on this. It's that bomb. It smells so good. And they sold out of this product before I can get to it. I actually was gonna purchase it yesterday, but I said no, you know what, wait, see what you find everywhere else, and then if they have it, come back. But they were sold out. But the nice lady said, let me go see if I can find another one for you, and she actually found the tester, so she gave it to me. It's still full. It's all the way up to the top. You can hear it just a little bit, but it's like all the way up to the top. So she was like, it's almost full, so just go ahead and take it. And she was so sweet. She helped me both days, and I'm so thankful. It is a styling cream, and it says pre-game your hairdo with a prep step, which gives your hair a light hold, definition, and manageability you need for whatever styles to come. Work through damp or dry hair before styling. And because I shopped, they gave me 2 cute little bags and some samples of the Soulfood Nourishing mask, which I will definitely be using these when I travel this summer. Not to mention, the bag is just so cute. Like, Amika, y'all did that. Y'all did y'all thing. So that was all for hair that I picked up. Now I'm gonna move on to makeup and nails, a portion that I don't really show a lot on my channel, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I stopped at the Makeup Forever booth. I only picked up 2 products. These are products that I really wanted, and luckily they had. So I picked up the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in shade Y505. I got that, and I also picked up the Caramel Natural 177 ProFinish Powder. And luckily they had both of these shades because they didn't have a lot of the colors, because they didn't carry a lot of the colors with them to vend. So luckily they had both the colors that I needed, and they said if they didn't have the colors that I needed, that they can ship out to me, but I really wanted to get it that same day. And because their card machine was down when I went to shop, they told me if I put it on hold that they would give me a gift. So I did. I put it on hold and I came back for it, and this is the gift that they gave me. Isn't it cute? I think it's like a liner or a liner case, or like a brush case, something like that. But it folds up and it says Makeup Forever on the side, and it has the cute little embossing detail right there, the lips with the brush going through. So very cute, very thankful, because I think this thing alone maybe costs like $20 or so, but it's handy. I can use it when I'm traveling. I can use it for several different things, so I'm very thankful for that. I also went to the Morphe booth, and y'all, the Morphe booth is out of control. The line was ridiculous. I stood in line for an hour for Morphe. Yes, I did. I stood in line for an hour. I picked up some lashes for my clients. I picked up the style Rodeo or Rodeo. I picked up Hollywood Heels, Venice, Calabasas last. Okay, last thing I picked up from Morphe, I picked up this brush set. It was only $12, and you get all of these brushes and the case. So you can use this case, especially if you're a makeup artist or even if you travel a lot. These are great to just stick your brushes in, or if you're a makeup artist, you can put like liners or lipsticks or touch-up items in here. So great little addition. But I was really excited about the brushes, these brushes specifically, because I love a big brush that's gonna blend out foundations, powders, just get the job done. So I'm really excited about these, and these just came as like a bonus for me because I already have these brushes, but I figured if it comes in a set, why not? I stopped at the EyeCUGorgeous, what is this? EyeCUGorgeous cosmetic booth because they had glitters everywhere. So the glitter that I picked up is Raspberry Blast, Caramel Apple, and Yellin Mellon. The adhesive that it comes with is water-based, so it is eye safe. So, and it comes with a brush, and when you use the adhesive to like put it on, it just makes it stay and last so long. So I'm excited for these glitters. They're beautiful colors, and it is a black owned business, so go you. And last but certainly not least, I stopped at the Vitro gel polish booth, and I wanted to pick these up because I've been seeing them on Instagram. FYI, if you didn't know, I did nails for about 5 years. I've been doing nails since I was a little girl, but yeah, I worked in a salon for about 5 years. I am a licensed full specialist, which means I specialize in nails, makeup, everything except for hair. So I picked up the 271 Silver Leaf, and it's a beautiful silver glitter, so pretty, so sparkly. And I also picked up the 273 Lollipop Leaf, which is a pink with lots of glitter. And I also picked up 274 Popcorn Leaf, which is like a yellow gold. And I also picked up Krista Pink, and I picked up the base coats and the top coats to go with them. So yeah, I picked these up. Eventually I'll get back into nails, but for now I'm just gonna stick to doing what I like to do, and that's makeup. Alright y'all, so that is it for this haul. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you see anything that you like, leave a comment down below. Also, if you've ever tried any of these products, leave a comment down below because I want to know your thoughts on some of these products, and give me some recommendations on how I should use them. And that's it. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming back for another video, and until next time, I see you gorgeous. Bye.